Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rog here, and today we're going to be making a Thai green curry, or my version of one anyway. So these are the ingredients I've got here. I'll show you all this as we go along. We've got some cumin, we've got some coconut paste, we've got coconut milk, we've got coriander leaf, we've got garlic. We're going to use about an inch of this ginger here. We've got red onion, we're going to use the juice and the zest of one lime and the juice of a lemon, and of course these 2 pieces of lemongrass. And also my pride and joy, which is these chilies here. I don't know if you can see these. I'm going to be using a couple of the green ones, not the red ones, otherwise it would be a red curry, wouldn't it? So okay, let's crack on. We can zest the lime. Use about 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger. We'll just take the skin off of that. A small piece of this block of coconut. That should do. I do love this coconut. I could just eat a whole block of it. Then we can chop and de-seed a couple of these green chilies. And we can put all of our ingredients into a blender. In that goes. Along with a hefty amount of coriander leaf. Loads of flavour and colour, of course. Hefty pinch of ground cumin, lemon juice, and the coconut cream. Give that a good old blitz. So there we have it. Look at that. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Let's just hope it tastes as good as it looks. Don't see why not. So here we have a really hot wok. You can hear it sizzling away, and in we go with our chicken. This is diced chicken breast. Now we're going to get this stirred around a bit, get it sealed, set all the flavour in. Now we can go in with that green curry paste. Mix all this together, and just by chance I have here a few broccoli florets. I'll pop those in, and also a few spring onion tops diced up. Bring this all back to boiling point. Let this cook for a few minutes and it will be job done. Yeah, sure tastes like a proper curry to me. Not too hot, not too spicy, but just right amount. And that lime juice, everything's coming through perfectly. I think I'll be making my own in future. Thai curry, yes. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching this latest video of mine. Thank you to all my subscribers and all of the viewers. Hope you've enjoyed it, and please tune in for the next one, and hopefully it won't be too far off. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.